Alright, welcome to Dairy Farm Pest Control number 59, the FX Maverick in 22. So picking up where number 58 left off, go ahead and line up on that one and take him out. Then go to the left and there's another one up there, so go ahead and take him out. This guy's sitting there so pretty, can't pass him up. Again, I'm shooting the H&N Hunters, which do really well in this gun. So the nice thing is I don't have to worry about going through the barn siding when I shoot a bird. So that's a good relief. So I never have to worry, am I going to leave a hole in the side? So, and it was pretty thick with pigeons. And again, this is picking up where number 58 left off, so it was a good day of shooting that day. Had a lot of targets to choose from. This guy's sitting up there, go ahead and take him out. Here he comes flying back. I shut down at the other end of the barn and got him to come back over to this end. And now it's like, which one do I want to take? Oh, that one's got a nice backstop behind him, so I go ahead and line up on him. And he does a little hop before he goes, and now he's walking across, and I'm take this shot a little bit too fast, but I go over the top of him, and then he just bobs his head back and forth, and he dies there at the end of the silage there. So I wasn't worried. I was worried if I was going to hit that wire or not, but I was able to get through there without it, so that was good. Go ahead and line up on him. So you can see that went right through him, but just leaves a mark on the siding. Didn't go through it, so that's good. Same thing when shooting up. I don't have to worry about going through the barn. I mean the roof, sorry. So this is a good shot. This is a good 60-yarder. Wasn't even sure if I was going to get him, and I'll be darned if I didn't drop him. So pretty impressed with that shot. This one is the last shot for this when I'm there that day, and line up on this guy. And as you can see, there's nothing showing on this thing. So I go ahead and take the first shot. Miss. I'm like, well, I might as well try another one. Aim a little lower. I'll be darned if I don't get that guy. So that was pretty impressive. And so then I found I still had stuff from August 12th from a previous trip at the at another barn. So we're now tied into a different dairy session. So this guy's sitting in the corner. And I go ahead and line up on him. Take him out. This guy's sitting there so nice, go ahead and take him. He goes in with the ladies, and then just patience, waiting for this guy, and he comes walking right out to check on his buddy, and I take him out. So another one up on the barn door. This guy's in the up above me, so I go ahead and line up on him and take him. He's sitting there so nice, so I can't pass him up. So I go ahead and take this guy out. Spot another one on the inside, up on the girders. Line up on him, take him out. Just drop him. See that guy, take him. And I'm outside. Spot these guys having fun, so go ahead and take out her, since the male was the one coming around, and I think I'm going to get that male, but no, he flies before I can get my shot off. So a little disappointed in that, but oh well, at least I got one. This guy's in the parlor. Go ahead and take him. He drops on the outside where the kitty cats usually go to get him. Now there's a bunch of them. I'm peeking around the corner in the parlor. You see all the starlings are down there, and then I spot the pigeon walking around. I don't really want to rush the shot, so I'm taking my time, saying just hold off, not yet. And then he'll finally turn right, and it makes it look like he's about ready to fly away. Like, I don't know if he saw me or not, right there. And line it up and take him. So, he does his little jump. This is a nice Texas shot. Drop him. Down he goes. This guy's going, what's happening to everybody over there? Nope. He's actually going to take a shit. I'm like, you dirty freaking bird. So I go ahead and take him out. And like, I can't believe this. What's he do? I'm like, all right, you're going to get it. Texas shot for you. He thinks he's going to get away, and he just falls right there. So he dies mid-flight. Couldn't believe my luck on that one. 2 birds in a row. Decided to say hi to you. So I got these 2 guys. They still haven't moved. I'm like, okay, well, you're making this way too easy for me. So line up on him. I take him out. This guy, I got that wire going across. I'm like, well, let's see what happens. And luckily, I missed the wire, and I get them. So that was good. This guy's sitting there so pretty. Walks just between those 2. And I go ahead and take him out. Another one for the barn door. I'm walking between the barns. Spot these guys up above on the parlor. Line up on this guy. Go ahead and take him out. And he'll eventually roll down and on to the gravel. You know, the nice thing is that his bud didn't really fly too far. Kept circling. Then he landed, and I'm like, all right, come on and see your buddy. No, he got a little bit further than I thought he would. He kind of came toward me, so there he is. Here's the one starling for the day. Go ahead and line up on him. Drop him. Now I got some more. Nice backstop. Go ahead and take that guy out. These guys are all like, what happened to Oliver? Oliver ain't coming back, buddy. There's one. There's 2. One for the barn door. One goes in with the ladies. This guy's sitting there so nice. Go ahead and take him out. There's a nice shot too. Drop him. He doesn't even hardly move, and then he does that jump like he's on a springboard for diving. That one drops in on top of the barn door again. This guy's sitting there wondering whether or not he should fly. And I tell him he should. And he flies down and requires a follow-up shot, so I go ahead and line up on him. And now he's going to walk. Girls are going to breathe on him. Oh, that's terrible breath. And knock him over. That was hilarious. Oh, those ladies. And that's just some of the results of all those shots you just saw. So go ahead and line up on this guy. I'm surprised he didn't drop right away. I'm like, what? You gotta be kidding me. So he flies in. I'm like following him around. I'm like, where are you going? Well, he got 40 yards and made it to the outside, and there he succumbed to his injuries. So he died outside there. And I still got a bunch of targets to choose from. So I go ahead and line up on this guy. Nope. I go, let me take one that's safer. So he's got that nice backstop behind him. So I line up on him. Go ahead and hit him. And take that guy out. And that's the last shot for the video. So thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.